In today's video, I will walk you through how to open a demo account on MetaTrader 5. To begin, make sure you are on the main home screen of MetaTrader 5. From there, move to the top left corner of the window and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Open an Account to continue. Once the Open an Account window appears, you will be able to choose the broker where you want to open your demo account. Browse through the available options until you find the broker you want to use. If you scroll further down the list, you will also see the MetaQuotes option. Selecting MetaQuotes Limited allows you to open a demo account directly with MetaTrader 5. After selecting MetaQuotes Limited, click the Next button. On the following screen, choose the option to open a demo account to trade with virtual money. Once you have selected that option, click Next to continue to the account setup page. You will now be asked to enter your personal information. Fill in the required fields with your first name, last name, email address, and mobile phone number. After entering the required details, continue by choosing the settings for your demo account. You can select the deposit amount that you want your demo account to have. You can also choose the leverage for the account. The available leverage options range from 1 to 1 up to 1 to 500. Select the settings that you want to use for your demo account. After choosing your preferred deposit amount and leverage, locate the agreement checkbox and click it to confirm.
Incoming mail.
Once the checkbox has been selected, click the Next button to continue. MetaTrader 5 will then process your request and create the demo account. After the process is complete, your new demo account will be opened on the platform, and you will be ready to begin using it. That is all you need to do to open a demo account on MetaTrader 5. The process starts by selecting Open an Account from the File menu, choosing your preferred broker or MetaQuotes Limited, selecting the Demo Account option, entering the required information, choosing your account settings, agreeing to the terms, and clicking Next to finish creating the account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.